Thank you very much, John. Well, if you've been out and about so far this weekend, you no doubt noticed that it's been very cold, and certainly today there's still a bit of a wind chill around. Certainly for central and eastern areas it feels more like 0 to -1 this afternoon, whereas out to the west it feels a little bit better, around +1 to +3. Now, the winds are going to stay northerly right the way through the next few days, but look how light they become across many areas of England and Wales right the way through to the middle of the week. So it does mean a settled spell of weather, which means problems with frost and also fog overnight. Well, the reason for that settled weather is this area of high pressure out towards the west. It's going to stay with us more or less right the way through this week. It gradually moves its way eastwards, which will eventually allow an area of low pressure to develop and push its way in from the northwest. And that means a spell of far more unsettled weather and windier weather come the end of the week and into the weekend. But for tonight, with settled conditions, it is going to be bitterly cold. Temperatures down as low as -5, so a far colder night than we saw last night, particularly around South Wales and the West Country. And Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, you can see it stays frosty. Temperatures similar, I think, right the way through this week for the Welsh borders. Gradually, though, we will begin to see a change as milder air comes in from the northwest. So for Monday morning, we start with some wintry weather still in the southeast corner, might cause problems for rush workers. And as you can see, a band of cloud and rain and a little bit of sleet comes down from the north too. But to the north, here it will stay drier and also brighter. Now for Tuesday, it's going to be a rather frosty, cold start to the day. We may see some fog lingering, and so temperatures will never get above 0 there. Generally, though, around 4 to 5, and still the risk of some sleet showers for the southeast corner. For Wednesday, a band of cloud and sleet will push its way down towards the North Pennines during the day, but for much of England and Wales it will stay dry, sunny, settled, but with those fog patches again. Into Thursday, this is when we begin to see the wet weather pushing its way into the northwest and those winds increasing as well. And it looks as though by Friday that wet weather could be right the way down into England and Wales, perhaps just the southeast corner staying dry until the weekend. Out of the northwest, behind that band of rain, plenty of squally, blustery showers. Now the temperatures you can see are around 5 to 7. That's about where they should be at this time of year, but certainly in England and Wales, where we see those fog patches forming overnight, it certainly will be cold and temperatures will be significantly below average. So some frosty nights to come and chilly by day too. That's it from me for now. Bye-bye.